Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show all available networks on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the search magnify icon down in your taskbar. And you want to go search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to category view and then select network and internet. Select where it says view network status and task. Now it should show your internet connection type over here underneath internet and connections. Go ahead and select that. On the left side, select change adapter settings. And it should list out all your available network connections in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.